We're here at the Freescale Technology Forum, and you're showing, what is this?
This is a micro mini USB switch which controls routing of the audio, USB, and uart to the processor, and also controls the battery charging to the battery charger. And what we're showing here right now is we have a audio device connected, and it's audio remote control, which has fast forward. It has 5 buttons on it. It's got the fast forward, the play, pause, and the volume up and down keys. And what we're showing right now is the analog audio is coming out from the processor, or from the PC, into our device, and we're routing it onto the D plus and D minus lines out to here, and into the speakers. So
a world that's greener,
change the volume up and down, or fast forward the track.
It's 3 processors for every person on Earth.
So the idea is this will be, what will this be like?
This would be like a cable that you had connected to your device, like a mobile phone, and it could be like an MP3 player, you know, where you have the fast forward, back, and reverse, and the play and the pause buttons, so you can play your MP3 players. Or you could, actually has 12 different buttons you could actually use, but we only have 5 in this demo. But you have 12 different buttons.
So you need a special phone,
faster than the driver. It's over 202
yes, so what we're doing here is
delivered.
we have 32 different
It's 53
ID
years
detections,
of innovation.
which we can detect
It's over 5,200
accessories that are connected to the USB, and that's what we're doing.
32 different ID.
32 different ID.
So it means all kinds of things.
Yes.
Could it mean? So basically, the solution here is that through one cable, through USB, mini USB, you can do tons of stuff.
Yes.
You don't need to have 12 different connectors on your device.
No, you can have one connector that does the audio, USB, and the UART all on one device.
Audio, USB, and UART, which is
UART is RS-232 communication.
So it's like a communication port.
Yes.
Which is something that might be used for debugging or something else, or
debugging, or normally it's used for testing, or in the factory when they're doing some factory tests.
Nice. And all these stuff that can be connected here for doing what kind of stuff could be of the 32 things?
These are for the accessories that are attached. So it could be a stereo headphones. It could be a mono headphones with a microphone. It can be a USB charger, dedicated charger, USB host. It can be a UART, or some factory modes in there for factory cables as well, for USB and UART.
So this solution is already in the Kindle and in the Sharp Networker, or?
No, the solution is currently in not this exact part, but a different part is in a Samsung phones. This is going to go into our next generation PMIC. It's the next generation PMIC for the i.MX. So we're having this built in to the next generation PMIC, which is coming out in August. Samples. So.
MMIC is part of the i.MX package, or what?
The PMIC is the power management IC for the i.MX processor. So this is a Sharp NetWalker SmartBook. Then we have our power management IC in here, the MC13892, and it supplies all the power rails for the i.MX 51 processor, which is in here too.
Okay.
And it also supplies the rail. It has touchscreen interface.
Yeah.
So we're doing the touchscreen interface on there. It's supplying all the rails for the i.MX 51. And it also does we also have a Sigmatel SGTL 5000 IC in there as well, audio codec.
But the next generation i.MX integration will be even more integrated.
Yes, so we'll have all this functionality on there, such as the audio detect of the
already
USB,
there are more than 17 billion Freescale semiconductors at work.
Detects